Hi unique family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. On today's video, we are going to be making this yam and sweet potato porridge. Welcome back guys. I'll be introducing you to my ingredients. My yam, sweet potato, mixed pepper, Maggi seasoning, salt, onion, smoked fish. I'll be adding pumpkin leaf, which is ugu, later. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. If you have watched to this extent, kindly hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Comment and share. See you all in my next one. Bye.